Hi guys, what's going on? Today I'm gonna show you how to replace timing belt on 2006 Mitsubishi Outlander. First, you need to remove the two 12mm bolts on the top. Follow the 10mm bolt on the bottom. Then remove the cover. There's a mark here on the crankshaft pulley and the timing cover as well. There. We need to turn the crankshaft pulley clockwise to put on the timing by using 22mm socket and ratchet. You can also follow the diagram shown on screen. Turn it till the T-mark on the timing cover and the timing mark on the crankshaft pulley are fully aligned. Too much, turn it back a little. Now it's good. This is the mark. I'm gonna put yellow mark so we can see it clearly. There's also timing mark on the camshaft sprocket and on the valve cover. Let me put yellow mark also here so we can see it properly. Now we can start removing all the pulley and timing cover. Remove the dry belt tensioner using 14mm socket and 12mm socket. Follow the idler pulley. Remove the 14mm bolts. Remove the water pump pulley if necessary by removing the 4 10mm bolts. Undo the crankshaft pulley. Remove the 22mm bolts. Remove the 4 12mm bolts on the pulley. Use a pry bar to take it out the pulley. Put the pry bar on the oil filter housing. Do not put the pry bar on the timing belt cover because it's just a plastic, or else you will gonna crack it. There's a double pin here, that's why sometimes it's hard to take it out. Loose all the bolts, 10mm bolts, around the cover. Take out the timing belt cover. Give it a little bit shake and remove it slowly. Before you removing all the tensioner, sprocket and belt, make sure all the timing marks are fully aligned. If it's not on the timing, you can put back the crankshaft bolts and turn it on the timing. There's a timing mark here too on the balancer shaft sprocket. I'm gonna attach a photo on screen for better idea. Now we can start removing the timing belt and all the tensioner. Remove the timing belt tensioner pulley using 14mm socket and the timing belt. Then remove the timing belt tensioner adjuster using 12mm socket, that's one, and the others. Remove timing belt idler pulley using 14mm socket. Remove the timing belt tensioner arm using also 14mm socket. Remove all the bolts holding the water pump using 12mm socket. I loosen it first And I also use impact wrench to loose all the bolt quickly. There's a O-ring here. Remove timing belt tensioner using 12mm socket and remove the belt out. Using a brake cleaner, clean the timing belt compartment. Look all the black dripping on the engine. That's the parts of the timing belt. I also use blow gun to clean up the area. Make sure you wear a mask while blowing the dirt. Using a blade cutter, you remove the old gasket on the water pump. Make sure it is very clean. Now we can start putting back the new parts. Put the timing belt on the crankshaft balancer. Make sure it's tight on the top and loose on the bottom. Because you need to put the tensioner on the bottom. Put back the timing belt tensioner. Tighten it by hand first. And torque the bolt on 16 foot-pounds. Oh, but I think there's a problem here. Look at the belt. It's still loose. So loose the bolt again here. The trick here, use a rag and flathead screwdriver and lift the tensioner upward. Just like that. And feel the belt if it's tight. And tighten it again. Put back the crankshaft sprocket. Remove the old O-ring on the water pump. Change a new one. And apply a little bit silicone grease so you can easily put back the water pump. With a new water pump gasket, install the water pump and torque in 13 foot-pound. Install the timing belt idler pulley. Torque also to 13 foot-pound. Put back the timing belt tensioner arm. Torque to 13 foot-pound. Install the timing belt idler pulley. Slightly tighten by hand first. Install a new timing belt. Always remember, the timing bolt should always be loose wherever the tensioner is. Install the timing bolt tensioner adjuster. Also torque the bolts to 13 foot-pound. Don't remove the pin purse. We need to do the same on the pulley. Get a rag and flat screwdriver and put pressure on the timing bolt. And torque the bolt to 13 foot-pound. To double check the timing, turn the engine clockwise for several times and put the timing mark on the proper position and check it again. Turn it one more. Make it sure. Don't worry about this one, because sometimes even if you put on the mark here and there, this one is not going in the mark, but don't worry about that. Good. The mark, on the mark, and the sides on the mark. Now we can put back everything. Make sure the socket ear on the crankshaft position sensor is going in properly. Put back the timing cover. Tighten all 10mm bolts. Put back the top cover and bracket. Put back the crankshaft pulley. And we are done. And that's it for today, guys, and I hope this video is helpful. If you have a question or suggestion, you can leave a comment. You can leave a down below. And yeah, and that's it for today. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you always update on my videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.